Imagine a warm breeze. Palm trees sway gently, their leaves rustling softly in the wind, creating a soothing melody. Bright, colorful flowers dot the landscape, adding splashes of red, yellow and pink to the lush greenery. This is the magic of the tropics, where nature's beauty is on full display. Now imagine bringing that feeling into your home, creating your own tropical oasis. You can, with exotic plants. These plants can transform any space. Tropical plants instantly transport you to a sunny paradise, no matter where you are. Their vibrant colors and lush foliage can brighten any room, making it feel more alive and welcoming. Imagine a bird of paradise in full bloom in your living room, its striking flowers adding a touch of the exotic. Picture a banana tree reaching for the sunlight in your conservatory, its large leaves creating a tropical canopy. These plants are not just beautiful to look at, they also bring numerous benefits. They also improve your well-being, creating a calming environment. Studies show that being around plants reduces stress and improves mood, making you feel happier and more relaxed. So why not bring a little bit of paradise indoors? It's easier than you think. With a little care, you can enjoy the beauty of the tropics all year round, creating a sanctuary in your own home. Exotic plants are more than just pretty faces. They bring a unique charm and vibrancy to any space they inhabit. They offer a range of benefits for your home, both aesthetically and functionally. Firstly, they act as natural air purifiers, improving the quality of the air you breathe. Tropical plants absorb harmful toxins and release fresh oxygen, making your indoor environment cleaner and healthier. This makes your home healthier and more pleasant to be in, creating a sanctuary of well-being. Secondly, they add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your decor. A well-placed bird of paradise can become a stunning focal point, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. A cluster of orchids can create a sense of tranquility and peace, transforming your home into a serene retreat. Thirdly, caring for these plants can be a rewarding hobby, offering a sense of purpose and relaxation. Watching them grow and thrive brings a sense of accomplishment and joy as you nurture life within your home. Finally, they can even increase the value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. A lush indoor garden is a desirable feature for potential buyers, adding to the overall appeal and market value. So why wait? Start transforming your home into a tropical oasis today and enjoy the myriad benefits these beautiful plants bring. The bird of paradise is a showstopper known for its striking appearance and vibrant colors. Its name comes from its unique flower, which looks like a bird in flight. The flower resembles a crane's head with a bright orange crest. This plant loves sunshine and thrives in bright, indirect light. Place it near a south-facing window for best results, ensuring it gets plenty of light throughout the day. Water it regularly, but allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Use a well-draining potting mix to prevent water from sitting in the soil. A mix of peat moss, perlite and sand is ideal for providing the right balance of moisture and aeration. The bird of paradise prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep it away from cold drafts or air conditioning units, as sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. With a little care and attention, your bird of paradise will reward you with stunning blooms that bring a slice of the tropics into your living room. Believe it or not, you can grow your own banana tree indoors. Dwarf varieties are best suited for indoor growing. Choose a large pot with drainage holes and use a rich, well-draining potting mix. Water your banana tree frequently, keeping the soil consistently moist. Banana trees thrive in bright, indirect light. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight, as this can scorch their leaves. Warm temperatures are key. Ideally, keep the temperature around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. With proper care, you can enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown bananas. Orchids are the epitome of elegance. Their delicate blooms come in an array of colors and shapes. These beauties prefer a special potting mix. Use an orchid bark mix for optimal drainage and aeration. Water your orchids sparingly. Allow the potting mix to dry out completely between waterings. Orchids thrive in bright, indirect light. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight. Maintain a humid environment for your orchids. Mist them regularly or place a humidifier nearby. With the right care, your orchids will grace your home with their exquisite beauty. In conclusion, bringing the tropics indoors is easier than you think. With a bit of love and attention, these exotic plants will thrive in your home. They will not only brighten your space, but also improve your well-being. So why not embark on this rewarding journey and create your own indoor paradise?